자, 13과 공부할 거예요. So we will study chapter 13 guys of the EPS topic book 1. Okay? So number 1, 1번. 두 사람은 지금 무엇을 하고 있습니까? Okay, so anong ibig sabihin ng question? So 두 사람 means two persons. 지금, now, 무엇, yes, what, then 하고 있습니까 is combination po siya ng ha. Yang hada dyan guys, no, yang ha galing sa hada, and ku isumnika means ing. So yung ha dyan means do, yung ku isumnika ing. So doing. So two persons now, what? Doing. So what are they doing? Yun po yung ibig sabihin yan. So dito kay ga, sabi niya, 우리 내일 같이 저녁 먹을까요? So ano ibig sabihin nito guys? So, uri means tayo, okay? Us, we, pwede din our, okay? So, neil means tomorrow. Itong word, guys, 같이 means together. So, tomorrow together, 저녁. Yeah. Yes, it means evening or dinner, depende sa context. Dito, 먹을 kayo. So, 먹다 means to eat, then ulkayo part means shall we. So, ibig sabihin nan, shall we eat dinner together tomorrow? Okay, tayo, sabi niya, no? So, reply ni na, 좋아요. Okay, means good, nice. Or 좋아요 can also mean okay. Okay? So, 같이 저녁 먹어요. Okay? So, 같이 together, dinner, eat. So, let's eat dinner together. So, ano yung ginagawa nila ngayon, guys? No? 두 사람은 지금 뭐 하고 있어요? Okay, ano yung ginagawa nila? 식사? No? 식사하고 있어요? Are they having meal? So, 식사 kasi meal, guys. 아니에요? 네, hindi. Number 2, 운동. 운동하고 있어요? Are they doing exercise? Working out? No, hindi. No. 운동 means exercise. 아니요. Next, 약속. 약속하고 있어요? So are they making appointment? Yes, number 3 yung tamang sagot dito guys, 약속. 약속 means appointment. Okay, so they are making appointment. Okay? So kasunduan kumbaga. So therefore number 3 yung tamang sagot guys. Okay? Hindi number 4, shopping. 아니에요. Okay? Next, 2번. 두 사람, two persons 오늘 같이 무엇을 합니까? Okay, so today together, what do? Okay, 합니까? Okay, so ano yung gagawin nila today together? Okay, so sabi niga, 우리 오늘 뭐 할까요? So again guys, the mo means what, no? Short form ng muwat. Okay, then 할까요 is combination siya ng hada means to do, and the lir kayo part shall we, meaning if you say mo hal kayo means what shall we do. Okay, what shall we do today? Okay, then 같이 영화 볼까요? So 같이 together, 영화 means movie, 볼까요 combination ng Buddha which means to watch, then 볼까요 shall we, meaning shall we watch movie together? yung sabi ni Ga. Sabi ni na, 산책 어때요? Okay, 산책 means to take a walk, no? Maglalakad-lakad. Okay? Then 어때요 means how about, guys. So you can use 어때요 to suggest something. Okay? So sabi niya dito, 산책 어때요? Meaning how about 산책? Okay. So 공원에서 같이 산책하고 싶어요. So 공원에서, 공원 guys is park. Eso indicates place kung saan mangyayari yung action. Okay? Eso, in the. Okay, in the park or sa park. 같이 together, 산책하고 싶어요. So, ito guys, combination po ito ng 산책하다, to take a walk, and 고 싶어요 is a grammatical structure ng ibig sabihin po is want, gusto. So, gusto daw niyang maglakad-lakad together sa park. O, 공원에서 같이 산책하고 싶어요. Okay. So, sabi niga, 그래요. So, it means talaga, really. Okay. 좋아요. Okay, 좋아요 means okay. 그럼, so if that's so, okay, or then yung ibig sabihin, 산책해요. So let's take a walk. Okay, so therefore, ano yung gagawin nila today? Yes, 산책해요. 산책을 합니다. 2번입니다. Number 2 yung tamang sagot. Hindi 책을 봅니다. It means guys to read a book. Okay? So number 3 영화를 봅니다. To watch movie. Okay? 아니에요. 4번 게임을 합니다. To play games. Okay? So again, yung tamang sagot po dito is 2번입니다. 산책을 합니다. 자, 3번. Okay? So dito guys, number 3 is fill in the blank. Okay? So 수루 씨, 오늘 저녁에 blank 있어요? Okay? So 있어요 means do you have? meron. So meron ka bang blank 저녁에? This evening. Okay? So dito guys, yung 저녁, it means evening siya, hindi dinner. Kasi yung marker na sumunod sa kanya is So we know that indicates time. So it's a time marker. Can be used as time marker. So meaning time, oras siya, panahon siya dito. So 저녁에 means in the evening. Okay? Today. So do you have blank this evening today or today evening? Yun po yung ibig sabihin ng number 3. So, ano kaya yung nawala? Sa 1번, 시간. So, 시간 means time. So, if you put that in the blank, 네, 소루 씨, 오늘 저녁에 시간 있어요? So, meaning, do you have time today evening? So, pwede no? Pwede number 1. Okay? Number 2, 생일. Okay, 생일 means birthday. So, do you have birthday today evening? So, 아니에요. Next, 3번, 날짜. Okay, 날짜 means date, petsa. So do you have date? Anyo. Number 4, 주말 means weekend. So do you have weekend today evening? So 아니에요. 자, 1번입니다. Number 1 yung tamang sagot natin dito, guys. No? So 오늘 저녁에 시간이 있어요? Meaning, do you have time today evening? 자, 시간입니다. 시간. Okay? Next, 4번. Number 4, 우리 blank 영화를 볼까요? Then, 코미디 영화 어때요? So, dito guys, 우리, again, tayo, are, us, we, ganun. Blank, 영화를 볼까요? So, again, 영화를 볼까요? Shall we watch movie? Okay. So, may nawala na word. Tapos, nagsuggest pa siya, how about comedy movie? Okay. So, alin kayong nawala, guys? So, dito, 언제 means when. So, if you put that, when shall we watch movie? 언제 영화를 볼까요? So, mali kasi yung kasunod na sentence is not related to time. Okay? Next, number 2, 2번, 무슨. Okay? 우리 무슨 영화를 볼까요? So, if you say like that, ang 무슨 kasi guys, it means what. Okay? So, nasinusundan dapat ng noun. Okay? Kung sa Tagalog, it means anong. Okay? So, if you say, 무슨 영화, it means anong movie. Anong klaseng movie. So, 무슨 영화를 볼까요? Meaning, what movie shall we watch? So, number 2 could be the correct answer. Okay? Number 3, 누구 means who. So, not related. Number 4, 무엇 means what. But, 무엇 guys, it just means ano. Okay? So, it's not in modifier form. So, 무슨 means anong. Okay? So, yun yung kaibahan ng dalawa. In English, they both mean what. But, 무슨 always followed by a noun. Okay? So, halimbawa, if you say, anong bag. Okay? So, alin yung gagamitin mo dyan? 무슨 or 무엇? Yes, 무슨. No? So, 무슨 gabang. Okay? Anong bag. Kasi pag sasabihin mong muwat gabag, hindi pwede. Okay? Number 2. Okay? Next, 5번, number 5. 저는 내일 친구하고 같이 영화를 blank. Okay? So dito guys, 내일 means tomorrow. Okay? Then 친구하고 같이 So 친구 means friend, 하고 here means with, no? Kasi may 같이 ng meaning together. So together with friend tomorrow, 영화를 movie, ano yung gagawin mo? Number 1, 보세요. So please watch movie. So you cannot use 세요 for yourself kasi inutusan mo yung sarili mo. 아니에요. kasi 세요 guys, please, no? Please watch. Okay, 아니에요. Number 2, 2번, 봤어요. So 봤어요 is in past tense form. So 영화를 봤어요. tapos yung time is nail pa. So hindi pwede. Mismatch. Okay? Number 3, 봐주세요. So please watch. Yun yung ibig sabihin nito guys. More on request, no? 봐주세요. Please look it for me. Please check it for me. Please watch it for me. Yun yung ibig sabihin yan. So, which is not the case here. Okay? Kasi nga, 저는. No? So, you cannot ask yourself to do something for yourself. Okay? Sa Ubo, number 5. Ito kasi yung tamang sagot dito, guys. Number 5. 보고 싶어요. Kasi, 보 is 보다, watch. Then, 보고 싶어요 means I want to. So, I want to watch movie together with friend tomorrow. 네? 4번입니다.